morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Addie coming to you live from WHVR studio. Today is Monday, February 10th, 2020. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 35 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls lost last night against the 76ers with a score of 111 to 118. The Blackhawks lost last night against the Jets with a score of 2 to 5. There are no announcements for today. The following clubs will meet in the afternoon from 3 to 4 p.m. Magical Masterpieces will meet in the LRC. Beyblade Club will meet in room 204. First and second grade dance club will meet in room 107. Third and fourth grade Latin dance club will meet in room 116. Multiplication Masters will meet in room 120. Art Explorers Club will meet in the art room. Battle of the Books grades 5 and 6 will meet in room 119. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are Coding Club will meet at 7:45 in room 212. That's all for today. Have a Make It Marvelous Monday.